Hello friends, this is your Aman TV channel and I am back with my new video on a tutorial of whiteboard animation software. So the name of the software is Video Whiteboard Animation Maker. So if you want to download it, just go to Play Store and type WIDEO, not VIDEO, WIDEO. Once you type this, the first software which you get is your Video Whiteboard Doodle Animation Video Maker. You can see the logo, it won't get changed, so you can find it easily on Play Store and even in iOS. So once you have downloaded this, click on open. Once you click on open, this will be the home page of this application. I have already made a project, so you can see it in my home screen. If you want to create a new project, then you have to click on plus. There are two options beneath plus. One is my project screen and another is my draft screen. These are my drafts. Ads would come as usual, so you just have to ignore it. I would just have to ignore it. No thanks. This is my project window. So if you want to create a new project, just click on this plus icon. Now you have to name your movie. You can name anything. For my convenience, I would name movie 1. Choose canvas size. Here is your canvas size, YouTube 1080 pixel. These are various ratios in which you want your video to be recorded. Whatever you wish, you can take. I want to upload my video on YouTube, so I would take the first option, that is YouTube, along with 1080 pixels. Now I would click on create project. This is the main interface of the project screen. Once you will click on plus, this is the main interface that you would get in your phone. So let me give you a brief description of this interface. This is the status bar, or you can say the slide manager. It will manage all your slides along with animations and other various things. This is your canvas. This white part is your canvas, or you can say this is your whiteboard where you will be applying your animations. So let's begin. The first option is of clip art. So if you want to add an animation, a moving animation or a static animation, then you will have to click on the first animation, that is clip art. Once I click on this animation, you can see on beneath custom there are three types of animation: Lottie animation, add image and add SVG. So at a basic level, Lottie animation are animations that are made by Adobe and other various apps that are used for graphical interface with user. Add image, you all know images are static, they don't move. SVGs are other type of animations that are created only with the help of Adobe Illustrator, and they help to easily just forward ideas along with easy and simple animations. So I don't think that at a basic level you would require any SVG. Now beneath this there are available animations. Some are static in them and some are moving. So you could take whatever you wish to. So at first I would require a moving animation. So for that I would click on this second option. You can take whatever you wish to. Now once I have selected this animation, you could see this bar over here in which delay, duration, size and elevation are given. So let me tell you, there are four options. In this, the elevation option, I mean to say it hardly matters. So whatever it may be, it won't affect your slide or it won't affect your animation. Now over here there is an option size. Size, you all know, if you increase this then the size would increase, and if you decrease this then the size would decrease. So adjust it accordingly. Duration and delay, these are two most important things in an animation. Duration means that for how much time your animation would keep on moving. If I click on 3 seconds, that it would keep on moving till 3 seconds, and if I increase it to 20 seconds, then it would continuously move till 20 seconds until the time is finished. The slide won't change. So by default it is 3 seconds, and I would prefer you also to take the duration of any animation 3 seconds. That is enough. Delay over here is also important. Delay is by default 0 seconds, and it is necessary for any type of animation. Suppose there is an animation like this, and beneath this you will write a text. So if you click on delay and if you increase this delay to 3 seconds or 4 seconds, then first your text would come, then after that 3 seconds, then your animation would come. Delay means first text would come, then the delay of animation. So by default it's 0, and I would prefer 0 also. If you wish, you can increase the delay as per your wish. So first of all, I would adjust this. I would want it to be on the top. Yes, adjusted. Now once I have adjusted my animation, I would want to add some text. So beneath this clip art option, second option, you can see this text T. So this is your text option. Once you click on this, you would ask to write whatever text you want. So I would write welcome to my channel. Okay, and you can see my text has come. Now the same properties, size, elevation, duration. Now let me tell you, there are two options in text. First, you can see that on the top you can see there is a bar, and as usual the same bar is there in the canvas. So let me tell you, on the top bar is very important for a text. There is font option, color option, size option, and the three alignments. So click on the text, and then this 100, you can see this 100 is the size of your text. Now you would be thinking, then what is this? This size is the size of your box, and this size is the size of your text. So just make it clear that if you want to decrease the size of your box, you will have to use this option, and if you have to increase the size of your text, then you have to use this option. So I would want my box to increase a bit. Yeah, size. This AA is font. There are various fonts, you can take any. I would like this font only, by default font. This black color, you can see this is the color of your text, so you can take whatever you wish to. Over here by default it's all black. So beneath this you can see there are two options. You can adjust it accordingly. The rightmost corner makes the color brightest. So I have both the bars on the rightmost corner, and I would take red color. Then click on OK, and my text has converted to pinkish red color. Now once this is done, I would adjust my text. So just click on the text and adjust it accordingly. I'm just giving an example. It's not a perfect slide, but when you make, you will have to give some time to it to make it perfect and look nice. Right now I'm in a hurry, that's why I'm doing so. Now the third option is this bucket option. You might have seen this option in MS Paint or other various painting options, other various painting applications. Now when you click on this bucket option, you can add the background color to your canvas. There are various colors, you can take any one of them. Suppose over here I am taking this blue color, navy blue, and then click on OK. So you can see the background of my canvas has changed, but I would prefer you to take white only, since it is a whiteboard animation and your board is white. Then hence I would prefer you to take white color only. The rest, whatever color you wish to, you can take. So for white I'll click on the center, white selected, and OK. So this is my canvas color. Now you have seen that how to make one of these slides along with text and animation. Now I will tell you how to make another slides. I will discuss those two options beneath bucket option, but first I will tell you how to take another slide, how to make another slide. So you will have to click on this sixth option to make another slide. Click on this sixth option. Now you can see beneath at the bottommost corner there is a plus sign. Then click on this plus sign and you will get to another slide. Over here also you can do the same along with other options. Suppose I am taking an animation over here. Ads would continuously disturb you since there is no pro pack for such applications, so they would disturb you sometimes. Yeah, now I would take some animation over here. Suppose I want to take I would take this animation, increase the size as per your wish. I would increase the duration also a bit, and then I would add some text in it, like, share, subscribe. Okay, text added. I have already told you how to do so. Like, share, subscribe, don't forget to do so. Now adjust it according to you. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of the fourth and fifth options. The fourth option is used for adding a music track or voiceover. Voiceover is used when you have taken a character or an animation and you want your voice to be recorded while the canvas or while the whiteboard animation is playing. So this is used for voiceover when you want an animation with your voice. Music track you all might be knowing when you want a light music behind your animation. so that is dependent on you. You can take whatever music track you wish to. Now this fifth option is very important option. When you click on this fifth option, that is a palm option, you would ask to choose an hand. There are three types of, by default there are three types of icons. When there will be new updates they would come more. So by default there are three. Whatever you wish, whichever hand you wish, you can take. So I would like to take the first hand. This would be displayed while the text is being written. So I have taken this hand, fourth, fifth explained. Now I will tell you how to view all these slides. I have told you how to make one more slide. I have told you how to add text, clip art, background, color, music, palm, everything I have told you. Now what is left, that how would I save it and how would I view whole? How would I see what I have made? So for this you will have to click the second last option. You can see there is a play option. Click on the second last option. Continuous ads are disturbing a lot. Yeah, so when you will click on that option, you would see your presentation from beginning. See, this was the hand that I selected. Now you would see my text would appear. So this is how such animations are made. Now I would also tell you how to add transitions or animations within your slides. So for that you can see that after this plus sign, click on this option. After this plus sign you can see a small flash option. Click on that flash option and you would take into an interface where there would be various types of animation. So whatever you wish you can take. I would not want any animation right now, so I am not taking. Else you can take whatever animation you need. So this is done. Now I would view my presentation from beginning. A 14-second presentation. Yeah, perfect. So now I would want it to save in my gallery or share it to someone. So that's easy. You can directly click on the last option, click on render, and then your movie would be rendered within a minute or two. It won't take a lot of time. It would just hardly take 30 seconds or 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes depending on the size of your video. Mixing audio.